Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install any IPA file on your iOS device. Today I'm gonna show you how to install ESign application, ESign IPA file on your iPhone device. All iOS device working this method. First you can open this My App Store. After open this App Store, first I will show you I have KeySign already installed. Now you can select Sign application and select device file. Then you can select your ESign IPA file. After select IPA file, check Sign application, click there. Now you can just wait few seconds, then your install processing complete. Wait for only 1 minute, then showing install button. After processing complete, just now you click install and wait 30 seconds, then go home screen. Check your install processing start. Just 10 second install done. Now you can open ESign application and you can use and you can install any IPA file on your iOS device. Now I will show you how to install my App Store application. This is easy and all iOS device working. Now I will show you, this is my Apple device and iOS 18.2 and 18.5 also working. You can check my video comment box first link and just click this link, open Safari browser. After open Safari browser, just wait 1 second and click subscribe on YouTube. Now just click and bell notification all and again go back this website and like on video. So click like on video and like this video. Then complete process, again go this website, unlock link. Click this unlock link and directly come official Telegram channel. This is Rinko official Telegram channel. You can check this App Store price, Gbox and ESign price $10. And this is paid method, 1 year's valid certificate. If you want to buy, just message sir, I need to buy iOS certificate. Then I will provide you iOS certificate. Price lowest, only $10. Thanks for the watching this video. I will provide you everyday best video.